So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can design your room virtually for free online. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same process on any other platform as well. Here you have to search for planner5d.com. You can see the right URL over there. Once you go over there, here you need to scroll down until see this option which says design your room. Once you click on this option, just simply go to this option, or you can use to design your home as well. Now if you want to design your home, just simply go to this option, and there are multiple other features are available on this website that you can use absolutely for free, and it's a very basic interface, so that if you are a beginner you can directly use it without any problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.